Hi, good morning, my dear little ones. How are you all? This is our third maths class, right? Yes. First class we had learned how to write the number names from the numerals, and you know how to draw the abacus, right? Next class we had learned how to write the numerals from the number names for the given number names, and also you know how to write the even and odd number. You know how to identify. We had done an activity very nicely, right? Yes, even and odd numbers. And the next topic is successor and predecessor. What is the successor and predecessor? Okay, do you remember what is successor and predecessor? Successor means the number that comes after. Predecessor means the number that comes before. That is your successor and predecessor, right? Even and odd. What is even and odd? Even number means the numbers which can be paired, and odd number means the number which cannot be paired. There will be no partner for the odd number, right? You can't divide by 2. That is, do you remember skipping counting by 2s? Yes, skipping, when you skip counting by 2s from 0 to draw a number line, 0 starts from 0. So skipping counting by 2s, you will get after 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? For odd number, you will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In ones place, if you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then that is your odd number. No matter that how long the number is, means how large number is. If you have checked only the ones place, check the ones place. If you have the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is your odd number. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that is your even number. Predecessor means that comes the number which comes before, and successor means the number which comes after. Yes, this is what we discussed in the previous 2 classes. This is your third maths class. We are going to study some different topics as face value of a number. What is the face value? Okay. What is the face? Face means, is this the face? Yes. When you see the mirror, what you will see? You will see the face. What it resembles? It shows your face. The same face or the different face? The same face, right? So face value means the value of the digit. So I am going to find the face value of, I took 4-digit number, right? Is this a 4-digit number? Yes. 4, 5, 6, 8. This is your 4-digit number. I am going to find the face value of the number. So, I am going to find the face value of 6. I am going to show the 6 in front of mirror. If you see the 6 in front of mirror, what you will see? You will see the same 6 or not? Yes. Or you will see 4 and 5? No. If you see the mirror, you will see only the 6, because I need only the face value of 6. So the face value of 6 is, the face value of 6 is 6. The face value of the number is the number itself. That means the same number, the same digit. If you show your face, that is, if you show 8 in the mirror, what you will see? You will see 8 or 9. You will see 8, right? That is the face value. Face value means the value of the digit. That means face value means the number itself. So, what is the face value of 4? 4. What is the face value of 5? 5. What is the face value of 6? 6. Face value of 8? 8. This is the face value, right? Just remember, face means seeing on the mirror. If you show anything on the mirror, if I am showing this hand on the mirror, what you will see? You will see the same hand or leg. You will see the hand, right? or any other body parts? No. You will see only the hand. That is the face value. You will see the same face on the mirror. That is your face. Next, one more example. 2, 3, 1, 0. What is the face value of 2? The face value, I told you, face value means the value of the digit. The same value, face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 0 is 0. I think now you got it right. Face value means showing the number on the mirror. So you will see what resembles there. It resembles the same digit on the mirror, right? So the face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 1 is 1 and the face value of 0 is 0. This is the face value. Next we are going to study place value. What is place value? Let us see what is place value. First we had learned face value. Now here place value. Face value, place value. Both are different, right? Face value means the value of the digit. The same digit you will write it. What is the answer of the face value? The same digit. So here the place value. Place means what? Do you remember the place? Yes. What is the place value chart? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is your place value chart, right? Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. What is the place value? The value of the digit multiplied by the value of the place. That is 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Place value means where the digit occupies in the place value chart. So what is the place value of 2 here? Just to check where the 2 lies in the place value chart. It lies in the ones place, right? Where the 3 lies? In the tens place, 4 hundreds place, and here 5 is in thousands place. So what is the place? I am going to find out the place value of 4. The place value of 4 is, I told you what is the definition of meaning of place value? The value of digit multiplied by the value of the place. What is the value of the place? Is 4 into, where 4 lies? In hundreds place. So 4 into 100 is 400. Just write the 4 here. How many digits you have after 4? 2 digits. So put 2 zeros. That is the answer. Next. How will you find the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is, where 5 lies? 5 lies in the thousands place. So 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 is 5000. Right? Next, the place value of, I am going to find the place value of 3. Where the 3 lies? 3 lies in the tens place. So 3 into 10 is 30. Right? Write the 3 ones and put how many zeros you have. Write the zeros. That's it. And here also write 5 and how many zeros you have. Put 3 zeros. Next, write 4. How many zeros? Write it as it is. Next, the place value of last one. The place value of, what is the remaining digit? 2. The place value of 2 is, 2 lies in the ones place. So 2 into 1 is 2. Yeah, we are going to study 2 examples. We are going to find out the face value and place value for the 4-digit number. Let us take one example problem. Example 1. 2, 3, 6, 9. Okay, I am going to take any one digit. You can choose one digit. I am going to choose this 3. We are going to find out the face value and place value of 3. Face value. First find the face value of 3 and next find the place value of 3. The face value, I told you, face value means the value of the digit. Place value means the digit that occupies the place, that is in the place value chart. So the face value of 3 is, I told you, face means mirror. Remember mirror. When you see 3 on the mirror, you will see the same 3, right? Yes, the face value of 3 is 3. So what will be the place value? Next, the place value of 3 is, when you write the place value of 3, it is just to check the place value chart. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and this is in thousands place, right? So 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 3 into 100, which is equal to, write the 3 ones, and how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. 3 into 100 is 300. Next, one more example. 2. Okay. 4, 5, 2, 1. I am going to find the place value and face value of 4. The face value of 4 is 4. The place value of 4 is, in which place it is? Thousands place. So 4 into 1000 is 4000. So remember, what is the face value and place value? Face value means the number itself. 3, what is the face value of 3? 3. What is the face value of 4? 4. Same digit. But what is the place value? Place value means the value of the digit multiplied by the value of the place. So where it lies? 3 lies in the hundreds place. So 3 into 100 is 300. And place value of 4 is, 4 lies in the thousands place. So 4 into 1000 is 4000. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in the tens place. So 2 into 10 is 20. Got it? This is how you will find the face value and place value of a 4-digit number. Got it? Our next topic is standard form and expanded form. Standard means standard or short form. Let's see. I'm going to give you one number, 5, 4, 3, 6. This is the standard form of a number. Let's see what is the expanded form. Standard form and expanded form. Expanded. Expanded means I am going to expand briefly. So expanded form. Standard form and expanded form. Standard form means 5, 4, 3, 6, right? Here 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in thousands place, right? 5 is in thousands place plus 4 is in hundreds place. Yes. Next, 3 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place, right? See, we have the 4-digit number 5436. This 5436, first check the place value chart of 5, 4, 3 and 6. So 6 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place and 5 is in thousands place. So 5 5,000. So 5 is in thousands place, 5,000. 4 is in hundreds place, 400. Plus 3 is in tens place, 30. 6 is in ones place, 6. This is your expanded form. Expanded means I am going to expand it briefly. Got it? This is standard form, short form. This is expanded form. This 5436 can be written as 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. Here this 5436 is short form or standard form. Yes, 5436 is a short form or standard form. This 5400 plus 30 plus 6 is your expanded form. We expand the number or not? Yes, we expand this number as 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. Let's see one more example. 5, 3, 1, 8. Okay, we'll take some other number in thousands place. Then it will be, you can understand easily. 9. Okay. 9318. So this is the short form, right? This is your short form or standard form. STAND, standard form. Got it? And 9318, I am going to expand it. So 9 is in thousands place, 3 is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So 9,000 plus 300 plus 10. 1 tens, right? So 10. And 8 is in ones place. This is your expanded form of 9318. Got it? So what are the topics we learned today? Our topics are face value and place value. Face value means the value of the digit. When you see the face on the mirror, you will see the face only. So that is the value of the digit is the digit itself. What is the place value? Place value means the value of the digit multiplied by the value of the place. That is, what is the face value and place value of 3? Here the face value of 3 is 3. But the place value of 3 is where it lies. Just check the place value chart. 3 lies in tens place. So what is here? 3 tens. So 30. What is the place value of 3? 30. Place value of 4? 400. Place value of 5? 5,000. Got it? So place value and face value of any number, you can write it very easily. Face value means the value of the digits, and the place value means the value of the digit multiplied by the value of the place. The face value means the number itself. Next, standard form and expanded form. Standard form means short form. Expanded, you have two names for standard form. You can call it as either standard form or short form. Short form means the numbers you are writing it 5436 is your short form. Expanded form. Expanded form means we are writing expanding the number. We are expanding briefly. So write the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So 5 is in thousands place and 4 is in hundreds place. 3 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. So 5436. right? 9,310H, right? I think you got it. At last we are going to do only one problem. In that one problem we are going to write face value, place value, standard form and expanded form. Let's see how to do, right? I'll give you one standard form. 7, 2, 4, 5. This is your number. What number is this? This number is short form or a standard form. This is your short form or standard form, right? Okay, we are going to write the face value, place value of the given digit. I am going to underline one digit here, 7. Okay, we are going to find out the face value and place value. Let us see. Face value of 7 is, what is the face value of 7? The number itself. So 7, right? Then what is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is, so check the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So the place value of 7 is 7,000. Got it? Because 7 is in the thousands place. So 7,000. And the face value of 7 is the number itself. So we know what is face value and place value. Next we are going to write the expanded form also. Let us write the expanded form. Last one. I am going to find the expanded form for this number, right? And expanded form. This is our question. Write the face value, place value of the given digit and the expanded form. So first the question given is in standard form. From the standard form we wrote one digit is underlined. So that digit you have to find the face value, place value. Next I am going to find the expanded form. So 5 is in which place? Ones. 4 is in tens. 2 is in hundreds. 7 is in thousands. So 7 is in thousands place. Next 2 is in hundreds place. Next 4 is in tens place. Next 5 is in ones place. Got it? So 7 is in thousands place. So 7,000. 2 is in hundreds place. So 200. 4 is in tens place. 40 and 5 is in ones place. 5. This is not 0. This is O. Ones place. Got it? 7,200. 4 tens and 5 ones. So 0 you have to write like this and ones write in an oval shape. Then you can see the difference easily. So this is your expanded form for the given question. So what are the topics we discussed today? Face value, place value, standard form and expanded form. So what are the topics we learned from the 3 classes? Writing numerals for the number names, writing number names for the numerals, and you know how to draw an abacus, even or odd numbers, successor and predecessor. At last we had learned face value, place value, standard form and expanded form. These are the topics we learned from the 3 classes, right? Okay. Based on this, you will be getting activity soon. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye dears.